Hi guys, welcome back to Mara's kitchen. Today we are making something soft, fluffy and super easy. My souffle pancake recipe. This is perfect for breakfast, brunch or anytime you want to treat yourself without stress. First thing first, in a clean bowl I'll be adding 2 eggs. We are going to be separating the egg white and the egg yolk. After separating it, set it aside. In another bowl, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of flour. I'll also be going in with half tablespoon of baking powder. Then mix it together and set it aside. Now back to our egg yolk, we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of milk. After adding the milk, use your whisk and mix it together very well. After mixing it properly, go in with your dry ingredients. Then mix properly. Now to your egg white, use your whisk to incorporate air by whisking continuously until it becomes thick. While doing that, add your sugar bit by bit. You don't want to add everything at once. Add your sugar bit by bit. I used about 3 tablespoons of sugar for it. By the way guys, I really want to improve my video quality, so if you have any suggestions on how I can make my videos better, I'd love to hear from you. Please don't ghost me. Just tell me in the comment section. I'm ready to work on myself and work on my channel. Help a sister. Thank you so much. Now this is how your egg white should look like after whisking it. This is what you are looking for. This is what you are going for. Back to our batter mix, I'll be adding half tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can add any flavor of choice, anyone you choose. You can just add it, please. Please make sure you mix it very well. Just after adding it, mix it very well, mix it properly. Next, I'll be going in with my egg white. Please, when you add your egg white, don't turn it like a thief. Just fold it. Just keep folding. The way I'm folding it in this video, just be folding it. Don't turn it like you're running away. Just calm down and be folding it. Please add it bit by bit. I added my own 2 times or so. After adding it, repeat the same process. Mix it very well. Mix it till everything is well combined, like everything has married each other. I don't know, but yeah. After mixing it, then you set it aside. Let's prep our pan. Please use a non-stick pan. I added my groundnut oil, then use something like paper towel or tissue paper to clean it up. Next, you'll be adding your butter into the pan. So next, you're going to be drizzling a little water into the pan so as it will help it cook properly. Then you cover for it to cook. Repeat the same process so that the other side will cook also. Just repeat the same process until you are done. Quick one guys, NEPA took light just as I was about finishing up, so I had to step aside to show you guys the final look. The quality might not be the best, but I couldn't let that fluffiness go to waste without showing you. Thank you for understanding. We keep improving and your support means a lot. Please like, share and comment. Tell your loved ones. I beg. Thank you so much.